Hey guys, so you can't go very far in this place without seeing something amazing, so about to show you something else that's pretty amazing in a mall. So check this out. So yeah, waterfalls in the mall. Ooh, Shake Shack. I think I'm about to go eat there. That sounds good. So yeah, a lot of people taking pictures, of course, at the waterfall. So yeah, I'm just trying to walk around without running into people here. But so it looks like it kind of goes all the way around, is what it looks like. And then you got this bistro that's right here. Oh, it looks like there's more over here. So there's like this eating area and there's waterfalls at the eating area. How cool is that? I mean, that is awesome. Relaxing, just kind of chill out and eat some pizza, it looks like, eat whatever, and just sit here and chill out by the waterfall. I mean, they really did this place right. So let me walk over here. Let me show you this. How cool is that? And I'm on the second story, so it goes all the way down. That is cool. And then there's more over there. There's like an eating area and stuff. So yeah, very cool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this for now and go and eat. Give me something to eat so I can have some more energy to walk more. Because my flight isn't until 6:25, so I've got some time. So I'll talk to y'all later.